The Tuduvalai rasam is ready. See, there is one here, my grandson who is suffering from cold. So I have made this for him. You take that cup, Yunus, and then taste it. And tell me, going to take that, give the kids like this in a small cups, morning and evening. If they have severe cold, the cold will say bye to you and the kids. Okay, hope you will like this recipe. You will enjoy this and you will subscribe to my channel, and don't miss this Tuduvalai Kire. It is the season, you will get it. Okay, and now everybody is suffering from cold, fever, sore throat, and also cough. So it will definitely cure you if you get it. Don't miss it. You can keep it in the pots in your house. Thank you so much for watching. Tuduvalai Kire. This is called the Tuduvalai Kire, which is very useful this season and available in this season. This will help you to cure the cold, cough and sore throat and also the fever. This you can take it as a soup also after making the rasam. I am going to make the Tuduvalai rasam in a proper way, and then that can be taken 2-3 days, just half a cup morning and evening if you have severe cold and cough. Otherwise you take it once in a way and add it as a rasam with the rice and enjoy this. This kire is very helpful. It is a medicinal herb which can be grown in the houses in the pot. I am growing it in my pot. I have taken this much of it, washed it, and then removed all the thorns. It is having thorns which we can cut and remove it, and then cut it into small pieces, fry it in the little of oil or ghee and keep it. And pepper and cumin seed 1 teaspoon each, and see that 7 to 8 garlic pods, and also small gooseberry size tamarind, 3 big tomatoes, and then curry leaves, and 2-3 spoons of nice ghee, desi ghee, any ghee you can take. And I have taken the red chilies as you like, 2, 3 or 4, and few garlic pods with the peelings. We can smash it and add. And then this garlic we can add in this. First you make a powder of it, then you add and just smash it, that's all. Now I'm going to make the powder of this, and then I will grind the tomatoes into a paste. And most we should have, say, some 8 to 10 small onion. This also should be made a rough coarse paste along with the tomatoes. And I am taking half a spoon of that is turmeric, which is help you to cure the cold. Okay, and it is we can say that antioxidant also. Let us see the procedure how we make. First I will make a powder of cumin seed and also the pepper with the this thing, garlic, and then I will fry the Tuduvalai Kire made into small pieces and fry. And then I will also make a rough coarse paste of it. When I am going to add the this thing in the end, I will add it with the pepper powder. Adding little ghee, and then I am frying this. This is enough. Adding 1.5 bowl of this bowl of water. I'll take the tamarind water afterwards. Now add this pulp which we have made. This is pepper, cumin seed and Toothuvallai Keerai, garlic and also the onion paste. Now adding it in this. I will grind the tomatoes. Coarse paste. Add salt. Turmeric powder. And then red chilies. Just break it and add it. Mix it well. Meanwhile, I will make the tamarind water and let it boil. Adding tamarind water. Let it boil. Should boil for 2 minutes, then close it and then season it. When you temper it, then again close it and then the rasam is ready. It will be very healthy, tasty and cure the cold, cough and sore throat, fever completely off. Let it boil. Now adding 2 spoons of oil and then mustard, then garlic, chopped garlic and asafoetida. Asafoetida will help to digest the food. Now you can add it to the rasam. Add the coriander leaf and then close it. It is ready now to serve. Now and then he will take it when it is cool and enjoy this. Thank you so much.
It cures sore throat, cold and fevers like things. So it's very delicious. You try it. It all, as Nani said, this cures cold, sore throat, fever, and many more diseases.
Fever, etc.
And many more diseases. See, it's also tasty, delicious, yummy. So you should try it. Please like Nani's this video, subscribe and comment. Thank you.